In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly compose an email using Microsoft Outlook, a key tool in managing your communication effectively. Whether you're setting up Outlook for work, school, or personal use, this easy-to-follow guide will get you started in no time. First things first, let's go ahead and open Microsoft Outlook. Once you have it opened on your device, you'll want to navigate to the main screen where you can see your inbox and other options. This is the area where you'll manage all your email communications. Next, let's move on to the Home tab, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Right there, you should see a New Email button conveniently placed for your email composing needs. By clicking on it, you'll open up a blank email window where you'll be able to craft your message. This is where it all begins: the creativity, the information sharing, and the professional exchanges. With your new email window open, you can start composing your message. You might want to take a moment to focus on your subject line. This sets the tone of your email and gives the recipient a clear idea of what your email is about. One tip is to keep it concise but informative, just enough to grab their attention. Now onto the main content. This is your chance to convey your message. Whether it's a friendly hello or a detailed report, remember to keep your language clear and direct. If you're writing a professional email, make sure to maintain a respectful tone and check your grammar and spelling before proceeding. Once you've finished composing your message, we can now enrich the email by adding some visual elements. To do it, you'll want to head over to the Insert tab. Here you will find several options for adding files, but for this guide, let's focus on adding pictures. Clicking on pictures will prompt you with an option. Insert an image from your device or search and insert one from online resources. Images can help break long sections of text and add a more engaging touch, perfect for capturing attention or explaining complex concepts visually. And just like that, you've composed a well-rounded email complete with a compelling subject, clear content, and engaging visuals. Before you hit that send button, take another look at your email. Double-check your information, the attachments, if any, and ensure you've addressed the correct recipient. It's always good to make sure everything is in order before you dispatch your message into the digital world. So there you have it. You've skillfully navigated through Microsoft Outlook and created an email ready to convey your thoughts clearly and effectively. With these simple steps, you can approach your email tasks with confidence, keeping up with correspondence in a way that's efficient and professional. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.